to the Kid Science Corner Special Edition. I have big news for you guys. Kid Science Corner has gained more than 120 new subscribers in the last week. So a big thanks to all my new subscribers from here in the US, India, and everywhere else. Shukriya. I know I haven't been making many videos recently, and that's because I've been busy with doing my other passion, dancing. And if you want to watch my latest dance video called Enjoy Enjami by PJ Dance Academy, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And if you want to watch more cool dance videos, subscribe to PJ Dance Academy. Now, before we move on to the experiment, I have a special guest doing the experiment with us today, and her name is ta-da! Ovia. Ovia's dad is the one who's been teaching us all the really cool dances. Ovia, how do you feel about being in this channel?
I feel super excited.
All right, that's great. All right, how about you go ahead and sit down? Okay, Ovia, how about you explain all the items we have for today's experiment?
So first we have dishwashing soap plus water, and then we have socks. We also have food coloring, and lastly we have empty bottles, but there's a hole at the bottom.
You're gonna have to cut the bottom part of the bottle with the knife. And you even want 2 big bowls like we have here. All right. So what's the name of this experiment?
Fabulous foam.
That's so cool. All right.
Let's get started.
First, we're gonna take these socks and put it on the bottle. Right. All right. So we put the sock on the bottle. So now we're going to take 1 or 2 food colorings, bottles of food coloring, and we're going to put it on the top of this, the flat portion of the bottle. All right. So which 2 colors would you like of food coloring?
I'm just gonna take green.
All right.
Green and blue.
All right. So I'm gonna take then red and yellow. All right, so you don't have to use 2. You can use 3, you can use 4, you can use all of them, you can use 1, you can use how many ever you want. There's no limit. All right, so we're gonna take the caps off. You can put how much ever you want. So, you doing it?
Yeah,
She's doing it.
it looks black.
Right, now I'm gonna do it. The clip first. Boop, 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 boop. Too much. I think it's gonna melt anyway. Alright. Alright. So we're adding our food coloring.
I'm not gonna put it all over. It's going inside.
Oh my god. Okay. I think yours is leaking a bit too. Alright, you done? Oh, I can see the color in there. It's a lot of red food coloring. Alright, you done?
Yeah.
Okay, so
now we're gonna take the area of the bottle where there's food coloring on. We're gonna dip it into the solution.
oh, you're Alright, let's do it. Mine's getting a little bit of blue and green in there. Alright, I think that's enough.
Okay, now
we're gonna blow extremely hard.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Look at that! Uh-oh, I probably shouldn't do anymore. Oh my god. It's a lot of bubbles. You're gonna tuck it in there a little so that it doesn't fall. This is a lot of foam. I wonder what happened. Can I actually touch this? This feels so cool! Alright, so the last time we did it, it was super fun. So
We're gonna do it again.
We're gonna be doing it again. Alright, so skip it. Right. Now let's blow. And this is the part where your bowls will come in handy, by the way. And we're using gloves so that we can play with it now. Oh, Ovia's bottle is overflowing.
Yeah.
It's like a tower. More solutions. I'm touching it. I'm touching it. I'm touching it. Oh my god. Ah! Oh! Let's turn it this way.
Turn my look.
Oh! All right, so now let's play. Ah! This is so much fun. That's why we have gloves on, so that we can. This would be good with soap. No, I'm just kidding. Can I do this? No, I can't. Oh, let me try that. Wait, let me try that. It's a good idea. Looks like our mom's gonna have to be cleaning a lot of stuff. There's even someone.
There's some on your face.
No! There's none on your face. Alright.
After all this fun, let's explain the science.
Okay. When we dip the sock into the soapy mixture, then there's a really thin layer, thin film on the sock.
So then when you blow into it, the air gets trapped inside of the soapy water and it comes out as bubbles.
And that's because the thin film on the sock has a very low surface tension. Alright, so we really hope you guys enjoyed this experiment as much as we did. If you like more of my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Bye!
Bye!